Imagine a world where your creativity can shine through 15-second videos, enhanced by powerful tools right in your YouTube mobile app. This upcoming feature is poised to revolutionize how creators incorporate music and speed controls, giving you the power to elevate your content like never before. As we step into 2021, the YouTube Shorts experience stands on the brink of transformation. Anticipated changes may redefine how these dynamic videos are created and how users access them, promising a fresh landscape for creators eager to engage their audience. One of the most empowering aspects of YouTube Shorts is its accessibility. Anyone can dive into this innovative format, regardless of their channel status or past content. This inclusivity encourages a diverse array of voices, giving everyone the opportunity to showcase their creativity. Creating YouTube Shorts is not only possible on any device, but it also allows for a streamlined content creation process. While adhering to specific length and format requirements, this flexibility means you can produce engaging videos easily, no matter where you are. To truly qualify as a YouTube Short, your videos should be under 60 seconds and formatted either square or vertical. These guiding principles ensure that the Shorts experience remains consistent and engaging for the viewer. While adding hashtag Shorts in the video title or description is optional, it can significantly boost your video's discoverability. This simple step helps viewers quickly identify content crafted specifically for the Shorts format, opening new avenues for engagement. However, it's worth noting that using hashtag Shorts may not be the only path to success. Many creators thrive without it. The primary goal seems to be internal tracking of content, allowing you to gauge your performance effectively. To ensure your videos are recognized as Shorts, utilizing the customization features in YouTube Studio is essential. This tool not only enhances organization but also improves the visibility of your short videos, empowering you as a creator. Analyzing your video's performance as Shorts is crucial, particularly across different feeds. Monitoring traffic sources is key to growing your audience effectively, providing insights that can guide your content creation strategy. With the introduction of vidIQ's new analytic tool, you can now track your YouTube Shorts views over the last 48 hours. This innovative feature offers valuable insights into viewer engagement and performance metrics, equipping you to better understand the reach of your content. It's important to recognize that while subscribers gained from Shorts contribute towards your goal of 1,000 subscribers, not all watch time from Shorts counts toward the crucial 4,000 hours needed for monetization. This distinction can be a source of confusion for creators striving for financial success. Understanding how watch time varies by platform is vital for creators. Views from the regular YouTube page count towards monetization, while those from the Shorts page do not. Having clarity on these differences can help you strategize more effectively. Take the example of Dan's gaming channel, which illustrates the stark revenue differences when viewers engage with content as Shorts versus on the regular YouTube page. This real-world scenario sheds light on the challenges creators often face in monetization. Moreover, a compelling case study showcases a channel that boasts an impressive number of views from Shorts. However, it reveals a disheartening reality. Most of those views are non-monetizable, highlighting the inherent limitations of YouTube Shorts in generating substantial revenue. As the YouTube Shorts feature continues to evolve, it is absolutely vital for users to remain informed about its latest developments. This ever-changing landscape invites creators to adapt their approach to video making, ensuring they stay relevant and connected with their audience.